What's up, YouTube? Juice Man checking in. Out here with Sick on FPV. We're out here flying some quads. We got some RC guys out here doing their thing. And this is where we're ripping today. Oh, that's better. Daniel, say hi to the camera.
Hey guys, how y'all doing? This is my dog does that.
And then we got Lurch FPV over here doing his thing. He's in the zone now. We're not gonna bother him too much, but he's ripping and sending.
Checking out this plane.
Oh yeah, we got planes. We got a little bit of everything today. So let's see what we could do. But what I'll be flying today. So usually, well, you know what? Let's go with Old Faithful. Going, my Quadmula split mini with the Slatts on there. That's how I like to get down. This is a full Fettec build of Fettec G4 flight controller, Fettec 35 amp ESC. It's been holding up so far. Flying the 03, but still gotta get that nice buttery smooth content from the GoPro Mini 11. If that goes down, we'll move to this guy here. This is my backup Quadmula, similar build, but this one's running the Fox Here Reaper ESC instead of the Fettec, but flies great, love it. It's reliable, and I like to fly at night too because I got the LEDs on this guy. And then the Moon Goat with the MEPS, we'll save that for if we do any kind of chasing. This one I like to fly fast, so here this is gonna be a bit more proxy, so maybe not bringing that out, but I don't know. Let's hope for a good one. Just on a mission, just kind of like we got to figure this. I'm about to take off, just a heads up. Oh. The props? Back on the MCKs. And the thrust too, it's just enough, you know what I mean? For me at least.
Yeah, it definitely works I still get it, honestly.
Yeah.
Which one do we say would have been the best firmware? I do want to win now. Well, they have a software you can turn by the same people who group But you should be on the latest because you got the goggles. So the latest would know the ability for the 03 and the Vistas to connect to each other. Yours could have connected. That's
Oh, I got a little jitter there. So damn.
The other people came out with it. It won't be long before they won't be
Too short.
always wanted to do every time. Not build a monitor, but something weird.
Woo! Woo! Shit, tree. Oh shit, roof. Oh, pack's dead. Oh, 19 volts. Bring it in. I gotta quit doing that, bro.